We will guide you through how to create new line type in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD and starting a new drawing or opening an existing drawing. Go to the Home tab and make sure you are working on layer 0. Click the Line tool or type line in the command line and press Enter. Draw a line that will be used as the base pattern for the new line type. Type text in the command line and press Enter. Then place the word width along the line. Adjust the text position so the word width is placed correctly on the line and remains easy to see. Select the line and width text, then use trim to remove the overlapping line. Go to the Express Tools tab on the ribbon. Expand the Tools panel and click Make Line Type. Choose a location where you want to save the new line type file and enter a suitable file name. When AutoCAD asks for the line type name, type width and press Enter. When AutoCAD asks for the line type description, type a short description such as the word width within a line and press Enter. Specify the starting point of the line type by selecting the beginning point of your line. At the Select Objects prompt, select the line and the width text that you created. Press Enter to finish selecting the objects and allow AutoCAD to create the new line type. Go back to the Home tab, click the Rectangle tool, and create a rectangle around the drawing area to test how the new width line type appears. Select the rectangle and change its line type to width from the Properties panel. Then check that the text pattern displays correctly along the rectangle edges. Adjust the line type scale if needed to make the pattern clear and readable. Save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the completed width line type for future use.